My name is Joe Metal. Keep watching SK Beat Records. They will provide you with news, updates, events, many things.
Everyone, my name is Effie Grace. Keep watching SKB Records. Mwah. Catch it. Catch the case.
I was not really expecting this, but it just came unknowingly. I've already given up before, but my God in heaven just stepped me out.
Waiting for change to come, knowing the battle's won. For you have never failed me, yeah, 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 yeah. Your promise still stands. Great is your faithfulness, your faithfulness. I'm still in your hands. This is my confidence.
Hello everybody, once again you are watching SDK to the BATZ. My name is Samson, but you can call me SK Beat Records. And this is what I do best, to bring you the behind the scenes and exclusive interviews of musicians at gospel events.
Oh na 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 na.